Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert any video file to MP4 in just a few simple and easy steps. Whether you're working with an MKV, AVI, MOV, or any other format, this method will work for you. So, let's get started. First, open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser. In the search bar, type Video to MP4 Converter and hit Enter. From the search results, tap on the MP4 Converter freeconvert.com website. This website is a free and easy-to-use tool for converting videos into MP4 format. Once you're on the freeconvert.com page, scroll down until you see the Choose File button. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with multiple upload options. Select From Device if the video is stored on your phone, laptop, or PC. You can also upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, or even a URL link, but for now, let's keep it simple and use From Device. Now, browse through your files and select the video you want to convert. Once selected, the file will begin uploading to the website. After the upload is complete, you'll see a Convert button appear on the screen. Tap on the Convert button to begin the conversion process. The time it takes to convert the video depends on the file size and your internet speed. Short videos convert quickly, while longer videos may take a bit more time. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a Download button appear on the screen. Click the Download button, and your MP4 video will start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded MP4 video to open and play it. You'll see that your video has successfully been converted to MP4 format. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your video to MP4 in just a few simple steps.